Hi everyone. The first resource that I'm going to share with you is called Grammarly. You can go to grammarly.com and you can even sign up with your FHSU email, and it is completely free. This is a great resource that will edit things as you type them on the web. So just like as you type in Google Docs or in Word, anything like that, you will get like a underlined squiggle under something that isn't correct. Grammarly will do that for you on websites that are not documents. So it's great to make sure that when you're sending out an email to all of your coworkers or maybe to all of your parents, you don't make any of those dreaded grammar or spelling mistakes that make you look not so great. So my purpose for selecting this resource was to help anyone out there who might struggle with their grammar or their spelling. This resource really helps you along the way on websites that don't give that help automatically, like Google or Word. So the audience would be my coworkers. I would share this with them, adults, my friends, and then maybe the parents in my class if they're looking for something. The two standards that I cover in this are ISTE T1B, which is engaging students in exploring real-world issues and solving authentic problems using digital tools and resources. I selected this one because real world is spelling things correctly and having correct grammar when you're sending something out to adults. And then the second one is ISTE T3B, which is collaborate with students, peers, parents, and community members using digital tools and resources to support student success and innovation. And then the how-to is you go to grammarly.com and you will get this. I logged in already, and so when you log in, it will prompt you to add Grammarly. I had one where it said add Grammarly to Mac, and then it also said add Grammarly to Chrome. So I downloaded it to Chrome and it works. So here is the page that I got after I downloaded it to Chrome. Anything that has this Grammarly logo, it's editing your documents for you. So whenever you see an underlined word, you hover over it and your mouse will show you the correct version. And right here it shows you like the different sites that it works with. So it'll work on Facebook if you're making a big long Facebook post, your Gmail, LinkedIn, lots of different sites. So then if we come back over here, we can do a demo document. And this is a document that they just gave you just to kind of show that what they're doing is real. So 8-year-old, it should have hyphens in between, and so you kind of scroll over it and then it'll say add a hyphen. Racing, right here, you should have a space after that, so you come over it and you click, add the space. So it's really cool and just really helps you to edit things as you go.